Once upon a time in Central City, there lived a young forensic scientist named Barry Allen. He was smart, awkward, and kind-hearted, the type of guy who always believed in justice and truth. But Barry carried a deep pain within him. When he was just a kid, his mother, Nora Allen, was mysteriously murdered. No one knew how it happened. One moment she was fine, the next she was gone. And Barry's father was wrongfully sent to prison for the crime. Barry knew his dad was innocent, but no one believed him. Years passed. Barry grew up and joined the Central City Police Department, working in the crime lab. His obsession with solving his mother's murder never faded. One stormy night, everything changed. While Barry was alone in his lab, lightning struck. But this was no ordinary bolt of lightning. It came crashing through the building and struck Barry directly, hurling him into a shelf full of chemicals. The explosion knocked him unconscious, and when he woke up in the hospital, something was different. At first, it was little things. He could move faster than anyone else. He healed quickly. His reactions were off the charts. But soon, Barry discovered he could run at speeds faster than sound, even faster than light. He could move through time, vibrate through walls, and run up buildings. All of this power came from something called the Speed Force, a mysterious cosmic energy that connects all speedsters in the universe. After learning to control his powers, Barry decided to use them for good. He created a red suit, designed by his tech genius friend Cisco in the TV version, or using tech from Bruce Wayne in the movie version. He became a symbol of hope and justice. He became the Flash, the fastest man alive. But being a hero wasn't easy. Barry would face villains like Reverse Flash, a twisted speedster from the future who was actually the one behind his mother's death. He'd team up with other heroes like Batman, Superman, and Wonder Woman, and even travel back in time trying to fix the past, only to learn that changing time can have dangerous consequences. At the heart of it all, Barry's journey is about more than speed. It's about loss, family, love, and learning to move forward, no matter how fast he runs.